Hello to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. Welcome back to Nail Vibes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. In case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So my ladies, watching this video which I have for you today, you see that I have a good combination of brown nail art designs for you, my gorgeous queens. So watch this video from beginning to end in order for you not to miss a single slide. As you can see, these nails look so good and so charming. You can rock these nails to any occasion of your choice. So watch to the end and choose your best slide. And as you do, kindly do support my channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types, and you can also watch and make your choices from there. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now. you.